Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the issue if the Wi-Fi is not working on your MacBook or Pro. So let's start without wasting our time guys. So first of all, go to the Wi-Fi icon here and make sure it is on. Okay, if it is not on and it is not showing up here, you need to go to here, the logo, then you need to click on system settings. And once you open the system setting, you need to go to the Wi-Fi options and make sure it is on. If any red cross icon here or the normal cross icon, you need to turn it on. Now once it is turned on, look for the nearby connected Wi-Fi networks and try to connect with them. If somehow you are not able to connecting with them, you need to go to the known networks and you need to click on these four icons and then simply forget the network. You have to re-enter the password guys, like this, and remove it. Once you have removed the network, just turn it off and turn it on again, and now try to connect again with the same network. Okay, put the password and see if that fixes the issue or not. If it doesn't fix the issue guys, you need to go to the detail. If it is connected but Wi-Fi is not working, you need to go to the details here. So let me forget this. The IP address will be showing up there. You need to go to the connected, then click on details, go to DNS, and you need to enter here the Google DNS. Type here 8.8.8.8. another is 8.8.8. okay, once you click on that, you need to click on OK and see if that fixes your issue or not. Since we have entered the manually DNS on our system, that should be fixing your issue guys. If this also doesn't fix the issue, you need to make sure that the time and date is correct on your system. This is also very important part in this step guys. So you need to go to this options which is date and time, or you can even search here date, set date and time. Okay, and click on these icons, closest city, and select your date here from drop down menu. The region should be correct here. Also the set the date here as per the apple.com. You can also set the time zone automatically using your current location. Okay, click on this option and after that try to connect with the Wi-Fi if that can help you or not. If this step also doesn't work for you guys, you can forcefully shut down your MacBook Air or Pro. You need to forcefully power flush your system, like hold the power key for almost 10 to 15 seconds, then release the power key, and once the power key is released, you need to turn it on again back and see if that fixes the issue or not. Okay, so these are the fixes guys to fix the issue. So I hope this video helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. And also one another step guy I have forgot, you need to make sure that your system is up to date. Okay, go to software and updates and make sure there is the option should be showing up, update. Do not upgrade, just click on update option and it should be updated. Okay, so thank you, thanks for watching.